evening, world. Today, Britta Johnson is going to be cutting my hair into a bob, and I'm really excited to see how this turns out. I have not had short hair in a really long time. She actually trimmed my hair a couple days ago. It turned out really good, so we were like, you know what? Why don't we cut it off? So tonight, you will be witnessing the live sacrifice of my hair. Here we go. This is gonna be me, guys.
Isn't this what you have to do? This is what everybody does.
Yeah, and you're watching Chopped. All right, so yeah, I think I want it to like here. You think that's good?
Yeah, but we'll cut it lower than that.
Yeah, we'll do the pony lower and then we'll go from there. Ah, do you think the pony option works?
I don't know.
It's gonna have to be a really low pony.
I know. Well, look at that.
Okay, so this is Britta. You guys might know her from her tortilla video.
Yes. Famous.
Or cookies.
Just start with a little bit. Your hair's not even combed evenly.
Oops.
Sensitive head. I always feel so like creepy when I accidentally go like
the stroke of the neck.
Yeah.
The tender,
I'm like, oh my gosh, sorry.
The tender neck grab.
Yeah. I'm like, oh, excuse me, so sorry. Like in the movies where someone like comes up behind them and they're
God.
Have you tried?
That was good.
Not in like a creepy movie, but
yeah, not like a serial
like a
killer
romantic movie. It could probably also happen in a serial killer movie.
A rom-com.
Or Phantom of the Opera. He probably does that.
I feel that.
Okay. Wow, I did such a stellar job last time.
I know. Yeah, so Britta trimmed my hair like a full maybe 1.5 inches a couple days ago, and it turned out good. So we were like, let's just cut it all off. It turned out well.
Huh?
Did it turn out well? Is that
I
what
would say maybe great. Or...
Oh, I'm sorry. Turned out fantabulous, and so we're gonna continue with this.
Okay.
This trend. Okay, I'll stop.
So it's all brushed out. Maybe it'll re-even it out.
I don't want it too even though. I don't want to look like let me speak to your manager cut.
Okay.
So if it's too even, that makes me look like that. Oh, sorry.
Was
I
that
need to
the
stay
look
still. Let me speak to the manager.
Hurting
A
you?
lob. No, I'm just scared for how much is in the ponytail.
No, I'm gonna make.
It's gonna be like this big.
I'm gonna drag it down after.
By the way, Britta's not a hairdresser, so she's just as scared as I am.
Yeah.
In no way, shape, or form licensed.
I think Britta might be more scared than I am.
Yeah.
I
I told Jen that I cut my friend's hair, but I actually never did. No, I'm just kidding.
It was a totally
No,
made
I
up
did cut her
lie.
hair. Alright, so how about just to start, we take off like this much?
Okay. Okay, to see what happens.
This is the most anticlimactic video that's ever been made.
Okay, let's get a back angle. We're gonna go shorter than that anyway. All right, it's happening.
Yeah, it's gonna happen. Hold on.
Boom, boom, boom.
That's good right there. Am I hurting you?
No.
No. It's literally only like 1 inch.
Yeah.
All right, you want me to do it?
Yep. Okay. Are you doing it?
No. I'm doing it now, okay?
Okay. Oh, I got a TX. Was it easy?
Hold on.
It looks like
This is the
you
move.
can't even see it. Wait, it looks like a haystack. Oh my god.
Oh god, I don't like that.
It's so pretty.
Now we're just gonna put it in a photo album. A scrapbook. Bonde's scrapbook. Bonde's Jen's scrapbook.
Let me see.
Ew,
Bonde,
look how wet it is.
Wait, let's see what it looks like.
One of these?
Hold on, turn your head, I wanna see.
What does it look like?
Let's show. Wait, no,
Does it
don't
look
do that.
choppy?
Wow, I actually think it looks so cute.
It looks like a good cut, so that's just how we
How do
cut
I-
it from now on?
How do I show you?
It looks like good because it's like layered.
Yeah, by accident.
Oh, by the way, when Britta cut my hair a couple of days ago, I tried to do some face framing and I gave myself these bangs. Then when I was working out, they kept falling down.
This tiny bang right there.
This is my bang, and it falls out every time I'm working out outside.
Little tiny bang.
Okay, it looks cutie.
Wait, can I show you what the back looks like?
Oh, it looks good.
Yeah.
I want to go shorter, but...
Yeah. So it looks like the middle ends up being shorter than the ends.
Oh. Okay, so round 2, we're gonna do another one of these babies, and then Britta's gonna go back and trim again because the back ended up shorter than the sides and it just looks a little weird, but we're gonna fix it because Britta's a pro now.
Because I'm a licensed hair
Stylist. How to cut your hair at home.
Yeah.
Okay.
You could do both because,
So like right above the line.
yeah. Where are you putting these scissors?
Okay, you do it.
What, because you're looking in the mirror?
Yeah, it's scary. I was gonna cut it myself. I dared myself.
She asked me to dare her.
I go, Britta, do you dare me? Like I'm 7.
Are you sure you want me to do all that?
Yeah. Okay. Let's just go for it.
I know. We're in quarantine. No one can see us.
Yeah.
What?
It's so short. Oh shoot. There's no going back. Is that the same length as this one? I feel like it's not. It's so short. I think this is a good place to stop. Why do I feel like I just cut everything off? It's cute though.
That's literally exactly the length that you wanted.
Yeah. Okay, I can deal with it.
It actually is surprisingly even doing it this way.
I think that was
There's a
better.
couple little.
Wow, I can't believe we did that. I can't believe I did that. I crazy.
It's so.
It looks cute though.
It's super. Can I go?
Mhm. It was so scary.
Okay.
It's definitely short.
But
Is it even?
Definitely, yeah.
This one feels a little shorter, but it's okay.
Okay, let's see. Let me brush it in the back. Brush it through.
She's cute.
It's super cute.
It definitely is like
It looks
longer in
so
the front.
cute. Yeah, I'll trim. I think like this little piece needs to get trimmed.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we gotta do my face framing again. Okay, I like it. This is literally the shortest
so
my hair's
cute.
ever been.
Really?
Yeah.
It's so cute.
Oh yeah, my specialty. Let's do some layering. The music in the back. You took my body and soul. So yeah, no, don't make your hairdresser laugh. Tip number 1. It's so fun.
How cute is it?
I love it.
I
A
love
side
it.
part? Okay, here's our finished product. This would have been like 50 bucks in the store.
I know, we did it for free.
Free 99, just because we're bored. Next week we're gonna color. Just kidding, but my hair is turning really brown at the top and that's pretty sad. It does look just so much like brighter, I feel like.
Yeah, it does.
It's gained, maybe it's this lighting. Because look at these roots. They're growing out because I can't go to the salon.
You're so cutie.
I always put it behind my ears.
Wait, yeah, how does it look behind your ears? Is it
Dumb.
even?
Oh yeah, probably.
Yeah, it looks so cute.
That's her. I don't think I can wear it behind my ears anymore. I look like a lame-o. That's it. Thanks for coming. Okay, so this is the final product. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Britta is the stylist you need to go to. I just blow dried it and I really like it. Part down the middle. Or, oh no, I can flip it to the side. That's a little too much. It just looks so nice. I'm so happy.